In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, upload your spreadsheet, map your columns, and finish a clean, compliant import. First, head to the HubSpot login page and sign in. If you use Google for authentication, click Sign in with Google and choose the correct account. Once you're in, make sure you're in the right HubSpot portal if you have access to more than one. From the main navigation, go to CRM, then open Contacts, so we're working in the Contacts database. In the Contacts view, look for the Add Contacts button and select Import. If you see a guided panel from right, choose Help Me Get Started to follow the wizard. Next, select Import a Spreadsheet. HubSpot accepts CSV files, so have your CSV ready before you upload. A quick prep tip: include a header row with clear column names, keep one contact per row, and avoid merged cells or formulas. Use standard formats for dates and phone numbers, and make sure the email column is present if you want HubSpot to deduplicate and update existing records correctly. Upload your CSV and click Next. HubSpot will now show you a field mapping screen. Go down the list and match each column from your file to the appropriate HubSpot property, like first name, last name, email, phone number, and company. If HubSpot guesses the wrong property, change it. If a column isn't needed, choose not to import it so you don't clutter your database. Pay special attention to the email field for contacts. This acts as a unique identifier so HubSpot can avoid creating duplicates and can update records that already exist. When your mappings look correct, click Next. You'll see a confirmation step with a consent statement. Read it carefully and check the box to confirm that the contacts you're importing expect to hear from your organization. This is important for compliance. Avoid uploading purchased or scraped lists, and make sure you have permission to email these contacts. Finally, click Finish Import. HubSpot will start processing your file and show you an import status page. Larger files can take a few minutes. Once complete, review the results. If there are any errors, download the error file, fix the issues in your CSV, and re-import just those records. You can also filter your contacts by this import to spot check a few entries and confirm that properties, formatting, and deduplication worked as intended. That's it, your CSV is now in HubSpot CRM cleanly and compliantly.